Hello everybody, it's your girl Just L here coming to you with a tutorial on how I personally like to create tape-in hair extensions at home. So definitely stay tuned if you would like to achieve this same look. I just want to mention that with bulk hair, it does have short hairs in it, and in order to get those short hairs out, you have to basically just prep the hair before you go into creating the tape extension. So you want to take the hair, I say about mid-shaft, hair shaft down, and grip it really tight and basically do what you see me doing here, which is combing all of the short hairs out. You guys, I am so sorry. I forgot to mention the importance. It is so important. This step right here, how you see me flat ironing the base of the bulk hair, you have to do that or your hair will not lay properly and flat like it's supposed to when creating these tape-in hair extensions. Just so you all know, the blue marking on my measurement guide is actually the guide for the width of my tape-in hair extensions. The tape that you're going to see me lay down here horizontally, that tape will never go past that blue marking. And please do not forget to lay that long horizontal strip of tape. Lay that down sticky side up. Please do not forget that. That is highly important. Oh, you guys, it's important to know that you should place your tapes on whatever number for the length that you want your tape extension to be. So I want mine to be 26 inches. So yeah, I'm placing tape at the beginning of the measuring line and at the 26-inch mark. You also want to make sure that you pull your tape taut so that there's no ripples anywhere in the tape. You want it to be as flat as possible. When you get your tape placement where you would like it, please make sure you flip your board around. This will make things a lot easier as far as when it comes to laying the hair down on the tape. As far as your hair placement on the tape, always make sure you take a pinky-sized amount to always keep control of bulk hair because it can definitely get out of control. But right here, you are seeing me, I'm placing the hair on the tape and I'm looking for my rat tail comb, but yeah, as you can see, I couldn't find it. And I just grabbed the nearest metal pointy object, which were my shears. And make sure you're placing the bulk hair at least a ½ inch above the board. I know some of you guys want to save your length, but in order to avoid any short hairs left behind, always place the hair at least in ½ inch above the board, 3/4 to an inch to be better. So you just want to continue this process down the line pretty much. just taking pinky-sized amounts of hair, placing them on the tape, and making sure they're basically just evenly distributed down the line of tape. So what you see me doing here is I'm filling in any scarce areas where I feel like more hair needs to be. You guys, right here you're seeing me lay down tape over the hair, and the tape that I've already placed face up. You want to ensure that this piece of tape is aligned directly with the piece of tape that is placed face up. Make sure it is aligned completely perfect, or your tape and hair extension will be misaligned. Once you have that tape aligned, you want to go in with a spatula or a metal comb or the backing of a comb and press down firmly, just ensuring that everything is sealed, because once you start to apply your adhesive, you do not want that to soak under the tape onto your hair. I do apologize, my phone ended up dying, but I am going to insert a clip of what this looks like once I do get it off the board. Just remember to take the tape off as one. Don't peel any tape apart, just peel it all off the board together. Alright, you guys, that is pretty much it for the first half of how I like to create tape-in hair extensions. If you would like to see the second half of this video, please stay tuned. And thanks again for watching.